It's stuck.
What's wrong?
Bro, my mouthpiece is stuck, bro. I don't know how to get it out.
Here, let's pull it and let's see if it gets out.
Stop! Stop! This is how you break the leader pipe on your trumpet.
Oh.
Freeze right there. We're going to use a special device called a bobcat. And this is how you will save your trumpet, okay?
Okay.
Let's do this.
All right.
All right.
How do we use the bobcat?
Go like this. Okay, put this here.
Mm-hmm.
Pull that. Now, can you see that in the camera?
Yeah.
All right, so this, we have to go in. See this really well.
That's
Well,
all. We're making
yeah.
a bench
I can
potato
see
video
it.
right now. Actually? Yeah.
All right. Okay, so now you lock this part here, and then we're going to turn this to the right, out. And this
Okay.
has to be pulled tight. And then, magic, almost,
Wait, what is
eventually,
Eventually.
that click sound,
Yeah.
right.
Defy your seating rules and come sit next to me.
Uh-oh. See, this doesn't usually happen unless you dropped it.
Uh-oh.
Guess you have dropped
Well,
it.
hey! Woo!
You got it
Oh
out.
my gosh, look at that.
How much are you
Tip
gonna
it in. Look at the...
Dang, Andrew.
Do you see that? Do you see that?
Andrew, you have to start taking better care of your trumpet, man.
How much are you gonna have to
It's supposed to be round. Normally, this should only take 20 to 30 seconds or less. And just make sure you take it to your teacher, and they should have a bobcat. It'll help remove all the trumpet mouthpieces.